Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Welcome to today's episode of Decoding Nifty with me. This is the series where I analyze Nifty on multiple time frames in an attempt to find out the best set of probable trades that might be happening the next trading session, and also so that we have a plan and we can trade that particular plan, right? So the idea is to have a plan and then trade the particular plan the next day. You are well prepared in advance to handle the volatility and you know what exactly are you looking for in the markets. So on that note, we'll just start with the video analysis for today. But in case if you guys like the way I analyze Nifty, the simple way in which I explain the price action concepts, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your trading friends, and also put down anything that you might have to say in the comments box. That would be highly appreciable. So let's just start with our analysis. Yesterday, what we had planned for today was that we will create a long above this particular swing high with a pullback. Markets opened with a gap up, gave us the required pullback, and then broke up above it. So this was the first trade of the day. I had only taken one trade today. I entered in this candle around somewhere around 9:52 was my entry time. Markets gave some momentum on the upside, then went into a sideways zone. When I entered the longs over here, I had placed my SL below this particular breakout candle. Now, the right SL, as I always say, need to have the right SL, was below this particular swing, right? Below the day's low. This would have been the right and very apt stop loss for this particular trade. But because of the wide range in which the market had moved before, the SL was coming out to be very, very big for my position size. The risk reward was not getting into not fitting into the right calculations that I have. So that is the reason I placed the SL below the breakout candle, below the candle this below this particular 950 candle, and the SL did not get triggered, and then again market gave a good move. I also drew this particular triangle consolidation, which happened like a flag and pole. And once this breakout happened, I was happy with the trade. But then again, market reversed from here, and once this started entering the zone back inside this, I took a trailing SL and got out almost at cost. Right. So today was uh, just a day where I have worked for Zerodha. I've just given them commissions as well as for the government of India, paying taxes and security transaction tax and everything, and nothing for me. I got out almost at cost. So this was the only trade which was done during the day. Uh, then later on in the day, market was entirely sideways. It was moving up, down without any proper structure, and none of my setups were forming. So that was the reason there was no further trades taken during the day. Now, this is a trend line which I had drawn, and in case if the markets would have given a breakout from this particular level earlier in the day, or any time before between 2 to 15, any time around these time, I would have taken this particular long trade after a pullback. But that did not happen. Market had other plans, and that is where we save our money by not getting trapped into the market volatility, right? And when the markets are sideways, the market lacks momentum, does not make any sense to initiate any option buying trades. These are the days on which option sellers would make good amount of money, and especially people who are writing far out of money, maybe not even far, but out of money call and out of money put. So they enjoy the DQ on both sides of the both legs of their trade, basically. So, as an option buyer, these are the days wherein you just need to safeguard your capital, not get caught on the wrong side. So, in case if you would have traded a breakout around here, say for example, market was forming a new high, gave a new dip, gave a low, and then again once this high was broken out and you enter. So, this is the not a proper breakout zone, right? As I always say, you need to look and trade breakouts at important locations, right? So, this was a good swing high for yesterday. That's why looking at trading above this particular. Uh, Swing high above breakout above the swing high. Now markets have already formed a newer high and is trading inside today's range. So it would not make any sense to trade this particular breakout around here. So these are the things that you need to identify with and align them into a system of your trading so that you don't get trapped in the market volatility. So anyone who would have traded this particular breakout, yeah, the market is breaking out of this particular swing, would have immediately been trapped in these three red candles. And anyone who would have initiated a short around here would again be trapped with this particular two green candles. So that is what the market was doing post the initial momentum that gave on the upside in the starting of the day. So this is what happened today, and For tomorrow, again, the plan of action for us would be very, very simple. Let us just see Nifty on a daily time frame first. It is a inside bar today, yeah. So it was trading completely within uh, the Friday's candle, and it's a good inside bar, good consolidation. Still no sign of any negative biasness for anything right now. On a smaller time frame, let me look at 75 minutes. Yes, it's a very good consolidation. So these are the trend lines that I had drawn in the live market, and they are very much still valid. As you can see, prices are inside a triangle formation consolidation. So we will look at a long trade. I'll just delete this particular line. This was for yesterday's trade plan. We will mark this particular swing high. We'll create a long trade above this. For short, again, this is another trend line. So this is a place where two trend lines are confluencing, in any break below these both will be a good sh sign to sort the market. So we'll wait for this particular low to be taken out, right? So I'll just mark this swing low, and we will trade this. See, on a longer time frame, on a longer time period, markets are in a bullish territory right now as per the market structure that is there. And for any short trades that you are taking, do it with lower quantities. Be very strict with your SLs. Take the SLs once those are triggered. Once in profit, be quick to book the profits, because markets can reverse, and maybe you get out at cost, or maybe again take a small loss. So that is something that you need to take care of. I'll just also look at nothing. Perfect. So yeah, this is the simple trading plan that we have for tomorrow. I hope you guys have a good trading day. I'll see you guys again post the market. Have a good day. Cheers. Thank you so much, guys.